PIA, Philippine Islands Adventure. My name is Milo. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flower pot made out of coconut husk. This is my DIY. I have made a bunch of them already, but I'm going to show you. So first off, we take out the inside. I have my nephew here helping me. Hi, Anthony. This is Lola. We take out the inside of the coconut husk, and there's the fiber that came out of it. This is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna show you the next step. So we take him out the inside. It's a hard work, but you know what? It's well worth it. And then Lola, she cuts the end of it, and I'm gonna show you why we had to do it. The next step. So the next material I have is this wire, tie wire, and the other tools that I need. This wire cutter right here. You need a knife to do it, which is Lola is using right now, using it to cut the top of the coconut husk. And then Anthony, my nephew, is taking out the inside. Here is the one that's ready to be cut right here. And this is the fiber that we took out from it. So this is the wire that I cut, 2 feet long. So the coconut husk together. So here's what I've done. I poke the wire through the coconut husk, come out on this side. So this is how it's done. I just got done sewing this. It's to put it together like this. Even it out, that way it's all even. And then put it together like this or so. And then you tie them up. So after you tie them up, then that's what it is. That's what it is right there. See? Now it's the flower pot. And tighten this up.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the finished product right here. And then what I will do now is I cut another wire as a holder. So I'm gonna poke it through here. And then tighten it so I can hang it. So it's done. The other side is done, and I'm gonna poke it one more here on this side. There we go. Tighten it like so, and then here we go. It's all done. This is the finished product. See? That is my flower pot. Isn't that cool? So this is the orchids. I just bought this, and here's the flower right here. The flower. It is so pretty. I've never seen this color before, and I'm getting ready to plant it. What I'm doing, I'm gonna take it out from the pot, and then from the pot, I'm gonna put the fiber inside. See the fiber? So we're gonna put it inside here. So you put it right here inside, and then you put the flower like this. So this is the flower right there, and then I'm gonna fill it up with the fiber. Product. There you go. There's my orchids. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Thank you for the continued support to my YouTube channel, and love you guys. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.